Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove object from your video with the CapCut application. So here I already have this video and I would like to try to remove this moon right here with this trick. So you just need to go click the clip and take a look at this button feature. Slide the feature into the left side until you found the duplicate tool. And then you just need to go click it and make the duplicate clip here become an overlay clip. Go click this tool, and now we need to drag this overlay clip so that their position is just totally the same with the original video. Next thing we need to do is just go click this overlay clip and take a look on this bottom side again, slide into the left side until we found mask tool. Right after we found it, we need to go click it and we need to pick the shapes. I would like to use this circles, and then we need to adjusting the positions of these circles here, and here I would like to make it the closest area with the object that I would like to cover. Okay, and then we just need to adjust it until the moon here is not included into the circles. And the next thing we need to do is just go click this checklist button. Now we need to drag those area to be covered the moon, and now here is the result. It's perfectly covered, right? So that is the way how to remove an object on a CapCut. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.